Today we'll be sharing how to verify your YouTube channel. It's a simple process, and you simply come here. This is now your channel, and you come here where there's this area where there's a circle, and here it represents your Gmail account, whether you did put an image or maybe the default G, representing the Gmail. So you click there. Then you go to your channel. Here we come. Then you come here on your left side. So here it's where your video display, or maybe whether you have one or not. Then you come on your left side, you scroll down up to settings. Below more from YouTube, you click settings, and you come here. You see now your icon here that represents your Gmail account or your YouTube channel. Then here there's this part that says channel status and features. You click on it, and then it takes you to this area, status and features, with your channel, and then it tells you to verify this area. So when you verify, you have your channel is open to many features, all features actually, because for instance, if your channel is not verified, you cannot upload things like thumbnails, and there are many limitations that you have. But when you verify your account, you're able now to do anything that a YouTuber, or maybe anything that you needed to do on YouTube. So you click the verify, and whichever country you are in now, there you put your phone number. You click your country, whether you're in the US, whether in your Africa, Asia, Australia, Europe, whatever it is. You just put your country. Then you come here. How should you deliver the verification code to you? Then you choose either you record an automated voice message or text. You get a verification code via text. So that's the most simplest form or version that you can click. Then you click. Then you put your number there, and also this way you can decide whether your YouTube is whichever language you choose, whether it's English, US English, UK English, French, whatever version that fits you. So you come here and you put your number. Let's see. And then you submit, and then you wait for the code to come to your phone, and it is a 6-digit verification code that when you put it, then you submit, and that's it. Let's see our verification code here. So that's our code, and then you submit. Let's see how it goes. Yes, congratulations. You see this area? Your YouTube account is now verified, so you can go and have merry and enjoy your YouTube channel, and sky the limit on when you now can turn now your dreams into reality. Until next time.